completely oblivious, man. Headphones on, wheeling along.
There we go.
There we go.
I'm going to keep it on.
It's a bank holiday. None of these places are as busy as I expected them to be.
Wow.
Good fun,
That's
yeah.
absolutely phenomenal. Where you going, Paul? Or... Oh, whoa. Gotta go right now, turn left. Whoa, you go.
They're keeping very warm though.
Yeah, in fact, they almost make them cold.
Yeah, I agree.
Never noticed it when I was working, but gloves, you see, when I started working.
Where are you going? It's a red light. What the? You're both dumb.
I'm gonna come through. Straight through. Come on. Dunno. Where's he going? Yeah, straight away, pal. Carry on, buddy.
Nice empty lane 2 in front of me. You just sat at the same speed I'm at. Would it not be better if you moved over to lane 2? Maybe?
Drips and things put in them, just keeping their fluids up. So he's got to make sure people drink plenty when they've got.
Why don't you?
That's right. What are you doing? She's really not paying attention to what you're doing.
What? Right. Idiot.
Tractors going up to the middle.
Oh, I know.
That's going the wrong way round the roundabout, Squire.
Jesus Christ, mate. Stinks. Wait.
Slow down a little bit for it.
He's across.
No indicators, no lights on you. And then you straddle 2 lanes. Twat.
No way in hell, mate. No! You arsehole. You utter arse. No way in hell, mate. No! You arsehole. You utter arse.
That was a bit naughty. A bit.
What a
Ta-da! It's all on camera. It'll be on YouTube this weekend.
The park. You are living in a million.
Is he actually wearing a full-blown Dashcam mask with a breathing apparatus on? Yes, he is.
That's a full gas mask.
That is a full-blown.
Wow. He's taking his COVID mask very seriously.
So yeah, I think they should. Yeah. Politicians and Hollywood stars have paid tribute to Chadwick Boseman, who died at the age of 43. The actor, best known for playing Black Panther in the Marvel films, had been diagnosed with colon cancer 4 years ago, but didn't make it public. And a retired military dog is to receive a medal for valour after he was injured in action.
Seatbelt, mate. Seatbelt.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
A Lincoln.
Looks like lots of fun. Being driven responsibly. Spoke to you soon. And an old Volvo.
Why is the van going? It's wet.
Are you really stopping there? It's not a clever place to stop.
Oh, go on, just go past.
You can fit a tank through that.
Go past.
Just stop dead, why don't you?